In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize any YouTube video using Claude AI. This is a simple workflow that can save you a lot of time, especially if you want to pull out the main ideas from a long video without having to re-watch the entire thing. The goal here is to take a YouTube transcript, paste it into Claude, and ask for a clean, useful summary focused on the most actionable points. First, open the YouTube video you want to summarize. This can be any video that has a transcript available. Once you're on the video page, scroll down below the title and look for the description area. If the description is shortened, click More so you can expand it and see the full set of options. Next, find and click the Show Transcript button. This will open the transcript in a panel, usually on the right-hand side of the screen or below the video, depending on your device and browser layout. The transcript is essentially the full spoken content of the video turned into text, and this is what you'll use to generate the summary. Once the transcript is visible, turn off timestamps if that option is available. This helps make the text much cleaner and easier for Claude to process. After that, highlight the entire transcript and copy it. If the video is long, just take a moment to make sure you've captured all of the text before moving on. Now go to Claude AI and start a new chat. In the message box, paste the full transcript you just copied. This gives Claude the source material it needs to work with. The better and cleaner the transcript, the better your summary is likely to be. After pasting the transcript, type your request. A good prompt to use is, "Please remove the fluff and give me the actionable key points of this transcript." This kind of prompt tells Claude exactly what you want. Not a vague overview, but a practical summary that gets straight to the important information. Then send the message and let Claude generate the summary for you. In just a moment, you'll get a condensed version of the video that's much easier to review, save, or turn into notes. And there you go. That's one of the fastest ways to summarize any YouTube video using Claude AI. If you want the best results, make sure the transcript is complete and as clean as possible before you paste it in. With that, you can quickly turn long videos into short, useful takeaways.